Reports are your go-to resource for tracking customer communication and team stats. They are divided into 3 sections: inbox, emails, and knowledge base reports. The most important ones are inbox reports, which tell you how well your team performs and how satisfied your customers are. In the performance report, you can see the amount of total, new, and closed chats, first response time, and time to close. The satisfaction report provides data on how great your customer's experience was. This requires a chat rating option to be enabled so that every time you or your customer end a current chat, customers will be asked to grade their service experience with an agent. Filtering these reports by date and by agents helps you track and compare historical performance. This usually provides a lot of insights into what may have gone wrong during a particular period of time, or why you've seen a significant boost in a teammate's productivity. Emails report is pretty straightforward. It tells you how many emails you've sent over the last 30 days, broken down by several categories. Lastly, knowledge base reports give you actionable insights on how helpful your help center currently is and can be. Let's be honest, it's impossible to read customers' thoughts. But with the failed searches report, you can see what customers were looking for in your knowledge base without any results returned, and create new articles based on those queries. Articles to review, on the other hand, allow you to see a list of articles which got bad user reactions and thus require some improvements. Check your reports on a regular basis to track performance and consistently ace your communication with customers.